will read DNA fingerprinting, or it is called DNA profiling. So what is DNA fingerprinting? It is a very quick way to analyze the differences in the DNA sequence of two individuals. It involves the identification of differences in repetitive DNA. So what is the principle over here? That is repetitive DNA sequence. Now this is the, so what is repetitive DNA? It is the specific region in DNA in which a small stretch of DNA is repeated many times. So though density gradient centrifugation, this repetitive DNA is separated from the bulk genomic DNA, and bulk DNA form a major peak during centrifugation, and other small peaks are called satellite DNA. So the sequences do not code for any protein. So the repetitive DNA sequence, they don't code for any protein. So here you can see this is the mother chromosome, this is the father chromosome, and this portion, that is the repeated sequences, and VNTR. So we will display variable number of tandem repeats, and here is the father's chromosome. So what is polymorphism? It is the variation in individuals at genetic level. Polymorphism arises due to mutation. It plays an important role in evolution and speciation. In a population, if an inheritable mutation is observed at high frequency, it is referred as DNA polymorphism. So the next point is DNA polymorphism. So what is DNA polymorphism? In a population, if an inheritable mutation is observed at high frequency, then it is called as DNA polymorphism. So there are different types of polymorphism, from single nucleotide change to large scale changes. Now technique of DNA fingerprinting is discovered by Alex Jeffrey, and it is called DNA typing or DNA profiling to find out the markers for the inherited disease. Now what is VNTR? Variable number of tandem repeats. The technique involves southern blot hybridization using radio labeled VNTR as probe. So what is the, this is called variable number of tandem repeats. And DNA isolation, DNA is extracted from the cells at high speed centrifuge. Application is, the amplification is there, many copies of the extracted DNA is amplified. Digestion of DNA by restriction of nucleus, separation of DNA fragments by gel electrophoresis, southern blotting technique, hybridization technique with a radio label VNTR, and autoradiographic exposure to X-ray frame. So these methods are implemented while DNA fingerprinting is carried out. Now application of DNA fingerprinting is used as a tool in forensic investigation to settle paternity disputes and to study evolution by determining the genetic diversities among population. So this is, you can see the, so in a forensic science, like it is a very important tool of forensic science today. Like these repetitive DNA sequences are found from a blood sample, and then it is matched with the suspected person, and so matching of DNA fingerprinting is done, and by that we can also find out the criminal from the crime situations and paternity disputes, if any, then we can solve. And like skin fingerprinting, DNA fingerprinting can help in distinguish one human being from another, with exception of monozygotic twins. So monozygotic twins, there is no difference in the DNA fingerprinting. So please go through NCERT. We will discuss the chapter question answer tomorrow. Clear your doubts on this DNA fingerprinting and join the tomorrow's class. Thank you.